Hello everybody. Today we're going to be looking at this trigraph. Now remember, a trigraph is 3 letters that make one sound. And the 3 letters in this sound are U, R and E, or U, and E. And together they make the yaw sound. Can you say that sound? Well done. Say it with me. Yaw. Fantastic. Now, sometimes we can see the yaw sound next to the letter T. And if we see it next to the letter T, it makes the chaw sound. Can you say that sound? Well done. Say it with me. Chaw. Super. Now that we know the yaw trigraph, let's see if we can find yaw in these 2 words. Then we'll have a go at reading them. Can you find the yaw sound in this word here? Well done. It's here at the end. What about this word? Well done. It's here at the end. And look, it's next to the letter T. So make sure when we read this word, we say chaw. Fantastic. Let's have a go at sounding it out. I'll press the sound buttons and we'll say the sound together. Are you ready? P, yaw. P, yaw. Can you sound that out? Well done. Now let's try to read it. Pure, pure. Super. Now let's have a go at sounding out this word. P, ick, chaw. P, ick, chaw. Can you sound out that word? Well done. Now let's see if we can read it. P, ick, chaw. Picture. Picture. Well done. Fantastic reading. Now, let's see if you can apply the yaw sound to read these words. It's called countdown. See if you can read the words before the timer runs out. Off you go. Did you manage to read those words? Well done if you did. The last one was a little bit trickier, wasn't it? Now, we're going to have a game of buried treasure. But before we start, 3 of my coins have no words on them. It's our job to write some words on them. See if you can help me with this. You might want to get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil to have a go at writing it. So pause the video and find yourself a piece of paper and a pencil. Have you got your piece of paper and your pencil? Super. Now on our first coin, we need to write the word cure. Cure. Can you help me? Let's sound out cure. K, yaw. So the first sound that we need is k. K, yaw. Well done. Now, on the next coin, we need to write pure. It's already on the board for us. P, yaw. See if you can write it on your coin. Let's sound it out. Pure, pure. Now, on the very last coin, we're going to write mature, mature. Now look, I can hear the chore, so it's going to be next to the t sound in this word. Mature, chore, chore. See if you can write that on your coin. Have you wrote those words? Well done. Now, with our coins that we've just been writing on, let's see if we can play buried treasure. Here I have my bin, and in the bin go the fake words, the nonsense words. And I have my treasure chest, and in the treasure chest go all of the real words, the words that we can put into a sentence. Now, let's see if we can sort out these coins. Let's have a look at the first coin. Look, it's one of the coins that we wrote on. Let's see if we can read it again. Mature, mature. Where do we think it's going to go? Is it going to go in the bin or in the treasure chest? Mature. Well done. It's going to go in the treasure chest. Now let's have a look at the next word. Let's sound it out. Your. What do we think? Is it going to go into the bin or into the treasure chest? Your. It's going to go in the bin. It's a nonsense word. It doesn't make sense. Now let's have a look at the next word. Let's sound it out. Your. What do we think? In the bin or in the treasure chest? Dior. It's going to go in the bin again. Oh dear me, we've got lots of nonsense words. Let's have a look at this one. Cure. What do we think? Real or nonsense? Cure. Fantastic. It's going to be a real word. Now let's have a look at the next one. Ranyor. What do we think? Real in the treasure chest or nonsense in the bin? It's going to go in the bin, isn't it? It's nonsense. And the last word. Pure. What do we think? Real or nonsense? Pure. Fantastic. It's real. Now, with these words that are real, see if you can write a sentence with them. Come back for tomorrow's sound. Bye.